Well, I've submitted mine, so yeah.
I submitted mine and I got some wrong and submitted again and still got them wrong.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Okay. You want me to read mine and you can tell me if I'm wrong? Since you already know.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll go for it.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2, I have test of 2 proportions.
It's chi-squared test.
Dang it. I was debating between those two. Do you guys, how do you determine on the chi? Let's see.
So that one I got wrong at first. And the giveaway for me on that one was that it says is independent,
Mm-hmm.
which is
okay.
that key word.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll always be like that, but if you know that it's going to be a proportion or something with, percentages and there's more than 2, which this one, it just seems like you're comparing the United States and Korea.
Right, that's why, like, I first had the chi or chi, and then I read it again and I was like, no, it's 2. It's a test of 2. Like, I couldn't, yeah,
So,
I don't, I guess I need to learn how to tell the difference in that.
well, that one was difficult because, like I said, I got it wrong. But the only thing that was a dead giveaway was that it says independent, which is only associated with the chi-squared.
Oh, okay. Well, number 3, I think I ended up switching from test of 2 proportions to chi. So, is it really test of 2 proportions?
1 second. For number 3, let me go back up. I got it wrong the first time. First I said ANOVA for some reason. But
Yeah, I got test of 2 proportions for 3.
Okay.
That's what I got.
Yeah, I'm mixing because I had that first and then I switched both of those. Okay.
Like
Number 4, I have test of 1 proportion.
Yep.
Okay. 5, I have paired samples.
Yep.
6, paired samples, T confidence interval.
Yep.
7, I have confidence interval for 2 proportions.
Yep.
8, 1 sample T confidence interval.
Yeah. 1 second.
Okay.
For number 8, I had. I'm sorry if I can't hear you. 1 sample T confidence interval for just so B.
Yep.
You probably said it.
Yep. Okay, number 9, the probability of type 1 error.
Yep.
And that's the one I screwed up.
Oh, yeah?
Twice.
Oh, bummer. 10, I had the probability of observing a sample statistic more extreme.
Yep.
11, 95% of the sample means were between 10 and 20.
Yeah, 95% of all, 95%, yeah.
Is that
So
right?
that one would be B.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's all. Not
Yeah, 11B.
Yeah, 95% of all, 95% confidence.
Yep.
okay. Okay, I'm just reading it with me. Okay. 12, I don't know how I did on these. 12, I have 0.3.
Yeah, 0.3.
Okay. 13.046.
Yep.
14, it was the one that I didn't know how to do it. That's the one I left blank.
You want to explain that one, Mark? Or did you get that one wrong or right?
Wrong. What is the problem?
Number 14.
1 second.
So for that one, I believe that the way I did it was because you just calculated the standard deviation.
Right?
So you're figuring out the z-score for it. So all it is the z-score is
Oh, okay.
p hat minus p over the standard deviation. So I just went 0.25 minus
0.3 divided by 0.046.
yeah.
Okay, hang on. Let me write it down so I can rework it. Give me
Yeah.
one second.
Yeah, p hat minus 0.3 divided by 0.046, and on the other side you have, yeah,
So what is it again? So it's 0.3 and then minus 0.46?
yeah, p hat minus 0.3 divided by 0.046.
So yeah, it's the 0.25 comes from that's the p hat is 0.25
Okay.
minus your p, which is the 0.3.
Okay, so it's 0.5 divided by 0.46. Is that right? Let me calculate it.
So it should end up being, so if you got 0.25 minus 0.3, so yeah, it's negative 0.05 divided by the standard deviation, which is 0.046, which
P hat minus
is
0.3 divided by 0.046.
So is it 0.109?
I think.
I did something wrong. I got a different answer.
Did you? Okay.
I mean, I have the right answer, so I know that I did something wrong.
What does it mean? So I kind of look at it, I know if I can get it right.
So the right answer should be 0.138.
Okay.
What did you get, Mark, for that one?
The farthest I got was when I did z equals p hat minus 0.3 divided by 0.046. And that's where I left off. I was having a hard time because I know that's not the right answer.
Yeah, because I got negative 1.08 or '09, so I'm not sure. 1.8. Remember?
Yeah, I just didn't know what to do after that step. I had the p hat minus 0.3 divided by 0.046, and then I had z equals p hat minus 0.3. Yeah, so that's where I.
Okay. I'll have to play with it. Ben, if you figure out how you got it, will you like text me or something? And let me know?
Yeah, let me.
Because that's one I missed on the last exam too, I think. Do you
Oh,
want me?
I
Yeah.
figured it out. Sorry.
Okay.
So you take that point, the negative 1.089, whatever it was.
Yeah.
So you plug that into the applet.
Oh,
Oh.
I was like, how did I get one? How did I get that? Uh,
That's the Z score, and then you put in the aqua units, the area, right?
yeah, and so since you're looking for anything less than, so you're trying to figure out what's the chance of it being less than, so you just shade everything to the left.
Left. Oh,
And that should, and then the area up above is what?
Yeah, and that's the 0.138 is the answer.
okay. Okay, that makes sense. Awesome. Thank you.
Struggle.
Isn't it annoying how you can figure something out and then not figure it out like 2 minutes later?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
I got 0.036,
Yep.
16, negative 0.003,
Yep.
17.029,
Yep.
18A,
Yep.
19, 1.458,
Yep.
20.145,
Yep.
21. The last one, no, I failed to reject the null.
Yep.
22, 6.579.
I just rounded it. I said 6.580.
Oh, okay.
Like, yeah.
Either way, you're fine. I put 579.
Like, yeah.
23, I had 0.087.
Yep.
24, no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Yep. Sorry to go back. For 23, you guys had 0.087.
Let me go back up to 23.087.
Point.
Ready for 25?
Yeah, I got this one wrong. I said we have sufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is independent of age. I got that wrong.
I have the last one. We have insufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is not independent of age.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
So the last.
26, I have 0.19.
Yep.
27, 0.31.
Yep.
28, 171.
For 28,537.
Yeah, 1,537.
Thank you.
Oh, shoot. Okay. I know when I worked that one, I wasn't very confident on the answer. Okay. Let's rework it. I think I can figure that out because I do have the equation for it. Okay. 29, I have the second to last one.
Yep. E.
30A,
Yep.
31, 1.768.
Yep.
32.077.
I got 0.039 for 32, right?
Yes. 0.0.
0.039.
Yeah.
Okay.
So on that one, more than likely, it's you gotta change the is it greater than, less than,
Oh, yeah, that.
because that's what changes that one. And I actually struggled to figure out. Like I was like, what do they want for that? And then I can't remember which one it was where there's greater than.
Okay. All right.
I want to say it was greater than, but
Okay.
yeah, greater than because in the HA. So for question 29, it's HA, P is greater than. So you want to put it as greater than.
Okay. That makes sense. So I might have 33. I had the last one.
I have the first one.
The first one. Okay. That's, yeah. You know how it is.
I had the last one and I got it wrong.
Yeah. So if you have
That's what I put
once
first.
you change your 32, so it's 0.039, then it's
Yeah, then it's
correct to the HO.
34.282.
Yep.
35.293.
Yep.
36.99.
Yep.
37, negative 2.803.
Yep.
38.997.
I've got 0.006.
Okay, I gotta look at the values.
What did you have for a number? What was it? Sorry, just to go back. 0.293, and for 36.99, for 37, negative 2.
Negative 2.803.
And then what did you have on 38?
0.006.
006. Okay, I've gotta look at these two values. I'm missing something somewhere. So 39, that probably throws that off again. I had,
So I had A for 39.
okay. 48.728.
Yep.
41, 10.455.
10.455.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
And 42. We'll see if I get this right. 42, 22.446.
Yep.
43, 40.
Yep.
44. Oh, this is the one. 44, I have 0.
Yep.
Oh, okay. 45, I have C.
What did you have for 45?
Yes, because we rejected the null.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to revisit those, but thank you. At least now I know if I work it, I know if I'm getting it, if I'm getting it right. Okay. All right.
All right.
Ben, I'm so
So-
sorry you ended up having to do so much extra work on this, on the project.
No, it's fine. It wasn't anything crazy. Honestly, the most annoying part was emailing back and forth with people. Because I actually emailed the TA first to be like, I think we screwed up. Like, I didn't want to bring it to Brother Greenlaw's attention.
Yeah.
But then he was like, well, so yeah, he's like, because you're definitely categorical, it shouldn't be a NOVA, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
He said, but Brother Greenlaw approved it, so you should email him. And I was like, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So, but he said move forward. So, yeah, and I just wrote it up as a document because when you're looking at the collect the data thing, it says to write up a separate document. So I just wrote it up like that. And
Oh, okay.
so if you guys just want to look it over, honestly,
Yeah,
I read it and looked it over. It looks great. I think you did great.
so, and it seems pretty straightforward because I actually just did the Excel thing and put in the info there, and I figured out how to properly state the null and alternative and stuff like that, I think. So I think it's worked out pretty well now.
Do we
Yeah.
want to change the chart title?
Huh?
It says the chart title. Do we want to say like or something like that? No.
I mean, I guess we could put it as
I'll put it when I put the power pin in. I was just gonna put smiles or say chart title or I don't know, something different than just chart title. Say smiles or
Walmart Smilebacks or something like that.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
I can change that real quick. I actually still had that
Okay.
graph up. So
Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. I didn't even notice it.
I ended up snipping tool that. So I was like, I would have just changed it, but it was style backs.
Walmart.
Okay.
Okay.
We have the exam tomorrow, and then what else?
Yeah, good old exam. I've already taken it.
How'd you do?
I got a 93 on it.
Nice.
So I'm not upset by it, but I do feel like I got lucky in some ways.
Yeah.
Because, yeah,
It's
I'm mad.
Saturday. It's
they
due
always.
tomorrow.
What was that?
It's due tomorrow.
Yeah,
all-
that was weird. It's like their last one, they didn't let you start it until Thursday. And
Yeah,
this
that's
one,
Oh man.
this
that
one, it
sucks.
has to be done by tomorrow.
Yeah, it opened yesterday, and then it has 2 days open.
Oh, that really sucks.
Yeah.
I should have got it until Saturday.
And it did. I spent more than an hour on it, so it's no joke.
Yeah, the last one didn't take too long.
Okay. All right. Well, good to know. I'm glad you guys told me that because I was totally not planning on doing it tomorrow.
I made that mistake one time, thought it was due Saturday, but it was not, and so not a good idea.
Oh, that would suck. Yeah.
Yeah, I was rushed. I still got like an A on it, but I was like, oh, it's due right now, and it was like 11 o'clock, or what was it, like 9:30 at night.
Yeah.
I was like, oh crap.
Well, you did better than us.
Yeah,
Because I got a B on that last one.
I did too.
See, Mark, the pressure gives you skills.
Oh.
What